Are you looking to land a Power BI developer job in the United States? In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to achieve your goal. So let's dive right in. Analyst has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. Step 1. Master Power BI. Start by exploring its features, functions, and capabilities. You can use online resources like Microsoft's official documentation, or check out courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Mastering the fundamentals will set a strong foundation for your career. Next, acquire hands-on experience. Work on personal projects, freelance gigs, or even contribute to open-source initiatives. These efforts will enhance your portfolio and make you stand out to employers. Step 3. Broaden your skills. Learn complementary technologies like SQL, data modeling, and best practices in data visualization. If you can, explore other BI tools like Tableau or ClickView. These additional skills will give you a competitive edge. Step 4. Certification. Consider earning certifications like Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. This will validate your Power BI expertise and boost your credibility with employers. Step 5. Craft a powerful resume. Highlight your Power BI skills, certifications, and hands-on experience. Tailor your resume for each job application to align with the specific job description. Step 6. Network. Join LinkedIn groups, forums, and communities dedicated to Power BI and data analytics. Networking can lead to valuable job leads and personal referrals. Step 7. Start applying. Search for Power BI roles on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. If you're new to the field, apply for entry-level or junior roles to get started. Step 8. Prepare for interviews. Practice technical questions and be ready to discuss your projects and how you solved real-world challenges. Showcase your skills confidently. Step 9. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest Power BI updates and trends in data analytics. Continuous learning will make you more valuable to employers. And finally, Step 10. Consider internships or contract roles. If securing a full-time job is challenging, these roles can help you gain experience and build connections. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to securing a Power BI developer position in the USA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Good luck on your journey, and thanks for watching.